In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion to study more effectively with active recall. If you want to remember your notes better instead of just rereading them, this method is simple, practical, and very effective. The idea is to turn your study notes into prompts that force your brain to retrieve information, which is one of the best ways to strengthen memory over time. Start by creating a Notion page specifically for your study notes. You can make one page for a subject, a chapter, or even a single topic, depending on how you like to organize your material. Keeping everything in one clear space makes it easier to come back and review consistently. And it also helps reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed when you study. Once your page is ready, begin writing your notes in a question and answer format. Instead of copying information in long paragraphs, turn each important idea into a question and then place the answer underneath it. This changes your notes from something passive into something interactive. It also makes your review sessions much more focused because you're not just scanning text, you're actively testing yourself. Next, use toggle blocks in Notion to hide the answers. This is what makes the system work so well. The question stays visible, but the answer remains hidden until you're ready to check it. That small delay encourages real recall instead of immediate recognition. And that difference matters a lot when you're trying to build long-term memory. When you review, read the question first before opening the answer. Pause for a moment and try to answer from memory. Even if you're not completely sure, make an honest attempt. The goal is not perfection right away. The goal is to train your mind to pull the information forward without depending on the notes. After you've answered, open the toggle and check whether you were correct. If you got it right, that's a good sign the concept is sticking. If you missed something, take note of exactly what you forgot. That makes your next review more targeted and helps you improve faster. For topics that feel difficult or keep tripping you up, add review dates directly in your Notion page. This gives you a clear reminder to revisit those areas instead of leaving them until the last minute. A simple date next to a tough question can make your study plan much more intentional. Finally, repeat this process regularly to strengthen memory. The real benefit comes from consistency. Each time you test yourself, check your answer, and revisit hard topics, you make the information easier to remember in the future. Over time, your notes become more than just notes. They become a system for learning and remembering.